Bookmarks in Power BI allow users to capture and save the current state of a report page, including filters, slicers, selections, and visualizations. Here's how to use bookmarks effectively. Create bookmarks. Navigate to the View tab in Power BI Desktop and click on Bookmarks panel to open the Bookmarks panel. Select the elements on the report page you want to capture, such as filters, slicers, and visualizations, and click Add in the Bookmarks panel to create a new bookmark. Name and organize. Give each bookmark a descriptive name to easily identify its purpose. Organize bookmarks into groups or folders for better management. Apply bookmarks. Use bookmarks to navigate between different views or scenarios within your report. Click on a bookmark to apply its saved state, which restores the selected filters, slicers, and visualizations to their captured settings. Interactivity. Enable interactivity by adding actions to bookmarks, such as navigating to a different report page, showing or hiding visuals, or toggling visibility of elements. Advanced options. Customize bookmark properties such as state, display mode, and selection panel visibility. Use the selection panel to control which objects are included or excluded from the bookmark. Edit and update. Modify existing bookmarks or create new ones as your report evolves. Update bookmark settings or add or remove actions as needed to maintain usability.